So sometimes we want to combine multiple conditions that requires to use logical operator such as and, or not. It's commonly used in almost all programming languages. So and means only if all conditions are true, then it becomes true. Otherwise, everything is false. Or means it's complete opposite. Means whenever at least one of them is true, then it's done. And not will be saying that I just flipping true to false, false to true. Okay, an example would be the following. So if I want to look at the exam again, I want to total is as an exam, and this will determine whether it's A, B, or C. But I sometimes want to say give A plus if they do very well only on both fronts. Final is high enough and total is high enough. So how can we implement this in Excel? So let's see. So this is the Excel spreadsheet. So as expected, this will be A plus, C, and C. But let's try to do it together. So first thing to do is to think that we want to do A, B, and C first. Okay, so let's revise how we do this thing. What we care is the total. Okay, so I want total more than 80, then it's A, otherwise B and C. So that's like if. Okay, let's do B and C first. If this bigger than this is bigger than equal to 80, then we have an A. Else, if they add up B2 plus C2 is bigger than 70, then we have B, otherwise we have C. So C 180, that's A. Okay. Otherwise more than this 70, otherwise B or C. Okay, so this is when you go over that, it's exactly what we want except A plus. Okay, so A plus is only given when it's more than 60, right? So the both things have to be satisfied. So so what you're going to do is I add another condition in the beginning. Both of them are true, then you give A plus. So do is if B2 and B2 plus C2 bigger than 80, and final is higher, final is exam, so it's just a C is higher than or equal to 60, then you give an A plus. Otherwise, go continue as before. So let's see again. So we say if these two are true, A plus. Otherwise, if more than this, more than 80, then A, some of them more than 70 is B, otherwise C. This is the formula. And we just break it down, then exactly as what we want. So sometimes you can see this is very long, rather complicated. You may want to do in multiple columns, say I calculate A and then these are A plus, this is also fine. But sometimes if you know Excel well enough, then it's okay to work in a more complicated formula. And later, if you learn B.B.A, then you want to use the B.B.A formula rather than this because it's a little bit difficult to debug. The reason is when you go, you make sure that every equation is the same. So B.B.A is more useful, but let's wait until we talk in the future video. So let's go back to the slide. And the next example is combining trading rule. So here I have a filter rule and SMA rule. What I want is if both of them selling me buy, then I buy. Otherwise, I don't do anything. So it's a very conservative strategy. Or just wait until the both I say okay, then you do it. So how to implement Excel? So this is the outcome you want. Only the first column is 1, otherwise you want it to be 0. So how to do this is very simple. Again, is if, okay, and first one A1 and B1, A1 equal to 1 and B2 equal to 1, both A1 A2 and B2 equal to 1, then we have 1, otherwise we're 0. Okay, then this is the answer we want will be 1 uh, 0 0 0. Okay, so this is how you would combine stuff.